is up, folks? Welcome and welcome back. Love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So, on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Diana Ankudinova, the day you what? The day you, what have you done on that day? So, we are going to find out what has happened on this day you. Guys, I have no idea what I'm going to react to, but let's dive right in. Let's see what Diana is about right now. Take a walk with me, guys. I'll be right back. And thank you all so much for the love you guys have showed me on my previous reaction with my friend. We both are from Jamaica. Thank you all so much for the love, for the support, for the subscription, everything. You guys are the best. You guys are showing us some love that we are not expecting to get. So for just in that case, I'll give you a next reaction pertaining to Diana Ankudinova. So we are going to react to her new song today, and let's dive right in. I'll see you there, guys. Peace.
Потеряла смысл календаря, проживаю снова дни сентября. Что со мной? Что со мной? Может, я всю жизнь тебя ждала.
Guys, I've just started to doing this reaction, and it is so touching, very touching, because in spite of what is been going on today in our society, everyone needs love. Everyone needs someone to call upon whenever time they need someone to be called upon. And Diana, I think nothing is wrong with you. You've stated that you've been waiting all your life for this someone, and we want to know more, because I guess this story is something realistic. And let's continue.
Может, для тебя сердце берегла. Что со мной? Где покой? Свои чувства мне сложно так понять. Я с тобой научилась летать.
Guys, to be honest, I think this song is a love song, and she's hurting. Maybe she has encountered someone who she thinks that person will love her. But sometimes when we are here as human beings, we've encountered a lot of people who we think that will be our ride or die. But when we get to know that person, I've heard this saying in Jamaica that when we know someone and when we move in with someone, it's two different categories, right? So I guess Diana is getting to know this person and know what he is capable of, and it's hurting her because she never expected to meet upon this person who she thought loved her is doing these kind of things to her. Let's continue.
Летать между тону в тебе, окутаю весной. Задыхаюсь от любви, накрыло все волной. Ты нежно дверь моей души открыл своим ключом.
Guys, this song is very touching because I've experienced the same thing. I'm gonna give a little snippet of what I've experienced, like what Diana has been going through. I've met this female very first time. I thought she's the one. I've give her the opportunity to come within my life, and I gave her the key for my heart, and she took the key, threw the key, used me, and then she's gonna look on me as if I'm the one that hurt her so badly when she was the one, because I've gave her access to access my feelings, right? And she hurts me. This is what Diana is been going through, and I understand the situation that is being situated onto her. Bro, it's really tough, bro. It's really tough. And to open up to someone these days, we have to be careful of what we are getting ourselves into.
День, когда ты вошел в мой дом. Лучший день, когда ты вошел в мой дом. Утопаю в море твоей любви. Больше нет преград, больше нет войны. Что со мной?
Hey, baby girl Diana, you are an amazing person. You are too beautiful to have these things happening to you, because you've let in someone inside your home. Probably the home she's speaking of is her heart, right? And that person gives you the opportunity to drown, and you've let that person inside, bro. Not everyone that we see or seek is for us, because these people these days, they are not fair. They are not understanding what real love is like. They are not understanding when someone loves them. Bro, I'll be feeling drowning as well. I'll be feeling like my entire lungs is shutting down of suffocation, bro. I'll be suffocating if I let someone within my space, and my space is now corrupted by a lot of corruption that is being coming from that person who are expected to be my lover, guys. Like, bro, Diana, nothing is wrong with you. Something is definitely wrong with that person. Believe.
Что со мной? Пусть твоя улыбка подарит свет. Я хочу встречать лишь с тобой рассвет. Что со мной? Где покой? Свои чувства мне сложно так понять. Я с тобой научилась летать.
Guys, no woman feeling will not be hard to understand once we understand them. And she has learned to fly with him. She has learned to open up onto him. But he'll never from morning open up onto her. So the relationship will be like a downhill moment for her, while he's using her to sink her while she's trying to strive. Bro, remember, in a relationship, one hand can't clap. We have to be sure that the both of us are communicating, giving each others the moment that we deserve, right? Spending time, having time with each other is important. Baby girl, nothing at all is wrong with you. You are just not meant to be with that person. You are perfect.
Нежно утону в тебе, окутаю весной. Задыхаюсь от любви, накрыло все волной.
Hey baby girl, you don't have to drown with him, because you're gonna waste your life with someone who doesn't deserve your life wasting, right? You can't suffocate your love for someone who is not loving you. You can't be covered by a wave which is not being ride with the both of you. It will be a chaos moment, or a chaotic moment. So please save your breath, save your surfboard, and meet someone who is willing to surf with you throughout a wavy moment. It will be worth it all, after all.
Ты нежно
so touching, guys. Like, I'm here reminiscing on a lot of things that I've been through, what Diana has gone through. Bro, it is so touching. I understand everything perfectly.
Ты нежно дверь моей души открыл своим ключом.
This is so perfect, guys. Like, this is so genuinely realistic. Perfect story. And I won't say this is a story. This is based on a true story. It is actually real. It is something that has been going on for decades. And we have to embrace our lover. We have to ensure that the person who we are giving our love to is giving the same energy. Because we can't expect to give 100 and that person is giving 50. It doesn't cut it. It's gonna be so unequal.
День, когда ты вошел в мой дом, лучший день, когда ты вошел в мой дом.
Guys, thank you all so much for watching. And I think this is a very important title because the day that person went into her life is that very day her life start begin to go down. And guys, thank you so much for watching. It is a very touching story. Thank you all so much for your suggestions. I never really know that this song was so amazing. And in that same breath of here, sad. It is very sad. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time around. Peace. Love from Jamaica.